Hey everyone! Welcome to QuickXcel YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use a pivot table in Excel to analyze data fast. Pivot tables let you summarize large datasets in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Here's a simple sales dataset with products, regions, and sales amounts. To create a pivot table, select your data. Go to Insert Pivot Table and choose Table Range. Then, click the arrow key and drag the data you selected. Click OK, and now we have a blank pivot table. Now, let's summarize total sales per date. Tick Date and Sales box. Excel automatically sums the sales for each dates. Now this Dates section showing as raw table. We can just chang it as date. Let's make it more useful. Date section we can sort as we want. We can also apply a style. Click inside the pivot table. Go to Design Pivot Table Styles and pick one you like. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've built a pivot table to summarize and analyze data. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.